So recently, Meta launched their MCP and CLI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect that MCP with Manus AI. So this is the Manus AI that I've opened. It's a Mac app, but you can use it on the web as well. It's the same UI. You have to go to the settings, tap on connectors, tap on add connector, and here you will see because Meta bought Manus, so they have added some native integrations. One is Meta Ads Manager. You tap on it, it will ask you to connect. Tap on connect, and then it will open the web browser. So I'm just tapping on that, save, and got it. Yep, so it's connected. Now it's saying try it out. Okay, I've tapped on it, and it actually pre-filled the prompt saying review my Meta Ads performance for the last 30 days, identify what's working, what's wasting budget, and give me actionable next steps. And here you will see this Meta Ads Manager is already connected. Just as a test, I'm submitting whatever it gave me just to see how it is working. It's connected to my Meta Ads Manager now, and it will fetch first the skill. So obviously it needs a skill to understand the SOP, standard operating procedure, so what exactly it needs to follow, and then it will figure out what all accounts are there in my Meta Ads account. It started listing tools, it started getting ad accounts. Here are the ad accounts it found, and I have to give it the access to certain ad account. I'll just select one and tap on start analyzing, and let's see how it analyzes, because it loaded the skill which I can modify. I've not done it. There is a native skill that they have already given. So it created a document around it. It has all kind of details like link clicks, landing page views. So this is something that you will see within Meta Ads Manager, but the actual thing is the actionables. So it actually went through the data, did some analysis, and came back with the actionables on what changes I should be making in order to improve the conversion and improve the performance of the campaigns. So that's it. You can see it was very simple. Like you can say it was very simple to integrate Manus with Meta Ads Manager, because Manus has native integration with Meta Ads. All you have to do is just go into settings, into the integrations, tap on Meta Ads Manager, connect it with Facebook account, select your Facebook ads account, and just go ahead and start chatting with it. That's it. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please share this video with someone who might find this really helpful and who might like learn something from this, and do subscribe. Thank you so much.